So I was craving some pollo inca, and I made this Aji green sauce, and oh my god, look at what happened. I made some lomo saltado. This sauce was absolutely delicious. So let me show you how to make it. We're gonna start off with some mayo, avocado. We're gonna do some jalapeños, some cilantro, some lime, and some garlic, of course. And we're gonna make this sauce in a magic bullet. So first thing you want to do is put your cilantro in there, chop up your jalapenos. Some people de-seed them. I didn't want to do that. I wanted all the seed, I wanted all the spice, you know what I mean? So go ahead and add that. Now let's get our avocado oil, and what I end up doing is getting a tablespoon, and I just put 2 tablespoons to start. And I like to start off small and then go taste it as I go. So I'm gonna go ahead and put 2 in here. All right guys, and then I'm gonna go ahead and chop up some limes, and these are from my backyard. They're super juicy, and I'm gonna put 1.5 limes. I'm gonna save the other lime just in case I need it later. So I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze this in here. No need to filter it out, just squeeze that bad boy in there, you know what I'm saying? All right, so after that, what you want to do is go ahead and add some garlic. I put a generous amount, just a tablespoon of garlic. Minced garlic is fine, the one from Costco, I like it. And what you want to do is go ahead and blend this first without the mayo and without the Parmesan, so it doesn't curd up. And if your thing is getting stuck, your blender, just kind of shake it a little bit. That's what happens to mine, but go ahead and shake this up. I did not use any water. If you're wondering, I did not put any water in this recipe, okay? So go ahead and blend this thing for about a minute and take it out. And what you want to do is you want to end up tasting it first and seeing the consistency of it. So I did taste it. Okay, once it's done blending, go ahead and open it up, and this is the time that you add your mayo to it. And I went ahead and got some organic mayo from Trader Joe's, and I put 1 tablespoon of mayo. And then at this point I just got a little pouch of Parmesan shredded cheese. And this is not your regular shredded cheese, this is Parmesan cheese. And then add another half lime. And while I'm at it, I added another tablespoon of avocado oil because I noticed it needed some more consistency in the liquid. So I went ahead and shook that up and then blended. Now starting to get that light green creamy color. Okay, so had the wife test it, I tasted it, and it was on point. And I'd say it's pretty much done. It was so delicious. And I made that lomo saltado like I showed you guys. So go ahead and refrigerate this after you're done blending this up. And what I did is added a little bit more avocado oil. I just felt like it just needed a little bit more because they said it thickens after you cook it. So I'm kind of ghetto, and I found a plate, a Mickey Mouse plate, which is just like a disposable plate, and I wanted to filter it out, so I just built my own little funnel cone. I know, and I just poured it in there and it's ready to go. Enjoy, you guys. Hit that like button and subscribe if you like this video. Let's go. Orozco's Kitchen all day, baby. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and make you this sauce today.